Hello fruit lovers, Ian here over in little permaculture farm in Brooksville, Florida, and you can see they had some damage to their plants because it went down to 25 degrees and bananas took a hit, but they're going to come back. I think that's China over there, that's not doing so good. And obviously all these papayas died. There's obviously pineapples they don't mind the cold. There's a kumquat there. Kumquat's fine. Not sure what sort of citrus this is, but it's well protected under the trees. And Satsuma's doing good. Satsuma took the cold. Wander around here, show you what's going on. Over here was a moringa maize. There's a little robin. Moringa maize, moringa died here. Moringa did not like the cold. Not sure if that's a pomegranate maybe, or around here there's also some Simpson stoppers. Okay, let's wander down here. It's got a bit of a slope here. Got some bees over the back there, just one beehive. Some members of the prune family, prunus. This is a nectarine that I think is going to survive. Yeah, it's got some new growth, but that was a peach. The peach did not survive. There's another peach doing fine. Tropical beauty peach. It's a nice bloom. Got some fruit on it, different sizes. That's another fruit. The stone fruit should do pretty good. That one that died over there is probably because it was probably maybe they didn't give enough water when they put it in. Not sure what this one is. Some sort of peach or nectarine. And then here is Brogden avocado. Now they're pretty cold hardy, but this got hit. There's another one over here which was even more affected. There's a mulberry. Mulberries do not mind the cold. This is a pear. I gotta get closer. Floored the home pear. So some blossom coming. Here's the Brogden avocado. Back, should survive. Well, it's going to survive, and then it's going to get stronger and stronger. There's another mulberry. Look at that. That's a big old mulberry. I think that was a white mulberry. We've got various things around here. Aloe. Stuff planted all over the place. This almost looks like it's like in the Suriname cherry family. Not sure though. This is a Simpson stopper. tasted one, but it's a Florida native plant. Looks like figs. Figs don't mind the cold. More mulberries. A loquat. Loquats take the cold, no problem. This looks like a citrus. This one's doing well. Not sure what sort. Let's just wander up the hill here. Got like 10 acres here. And over here is a hugelkultur that's been put in to catch the water as it runs down the hill. These are some sort of I can't remember, monkey ear plants. I forget what the proper name is, but they obviously got hit pretty bad by the cold. A whole bunch of mulberries growing in the hugelkultur. Get round from the other side with the sun behind us. You can see this is coming back from the base, but up there it got affected. Probably the newer growth was on the top and got killed. Now this becomes the newer growth. You can see all the mulberries here. None of them are ready to eat yet, but they'll have a whole bunch of crop all at once. And then last but not least for now is this elderberry tree. Loads of baby elderberries at the bottom. There you have it. I'll do another video of the vegetable garden and other stuff, but this is going to be a food forest in the future. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.